Hi, welcome to software testing. So this is Rajesh. So let's understand again software testing. So in last class, we discussed about some of the things about software and some of the things about software testing and some of the things for skills required for software testing. So yesterday we discussed these things. So today I am going to discuss about in detail about software testing. Okay, so let's understand like detail about software testing. Okay, so before that, so just understand the software. So in again the refresh of yesterday class, the software is nothing but it's a collection of programs to perform. Software is nothing but a collection of programs to perform specific task. Is nothing but software. Right? So this is like generic definition. Okay, all you know, like this is like programmer's way definition. So this is like software. So if I want to describe the software in application point of view or customer's point of view, applications point of view, the software definition, application point of view, the software definition is software is an application. Software is an application. So software is an application which is developed based on the customer requirements, is nothing but software or application software, right? So in yesterday, so we discussed about these things. Okay, softwares for definition. So software application generic definition, software application point of view, the definition. Okay, so now coming to the software testing. Okay, so software testing is nothing but to finding the defects for the software. Okay, the testing is nothing but to finding the defects for the software is nothing but software testing. Okay. So let's see some of the definitions for the software testing. So let's understand one by one. Okay. Okay, software. Okay, software testing. So I am saying that to test this software, to finding the defects. Okay, to test the software to finding the defects. Here I am defining like software testing definition, like testing is an activity to identify or to finding the defects for the software is nothing but software testing. Okay, is nothing but software testing. Okay, so you know, like generally we know like testing is nothing but finding the defects. Okay, so if I want to describe or if I am defining the software testing into the process point of view, if I am defining the testing definition process point of view. Okay, process point of view is nothing but some of the organization process. So if I am defining that software testing in the organization process point of view, the definition. Okay, software testing is an application. Okay, software testing is a process. Software testing is a process. It is a part of software testing is a process. It's a part of software development. It's a part of software development process. It's a part of software development. Like I am defining one process point of view, software is a one part of software development process in the organizations. So this is one way of definition for organization. Like if I am talking the process point of view. Okay, like so just take one example, like in order to develop one software or in order to develop one software product or one software project, in order to develop one software product, and in order to develop one software product, so for that, so we required, okay, so for that, so we required, okay, some of the process to design one software means, so we required some product, so as well as we required some product related members, as well as we required some of the process. Okay, if you are following the project, if you are following one process, so ultimately we are observing, ultimately we are getting one output. Okay, by following some members, so by following one process, we are observing or we are getting one ultimate output. That output will be like software project or software product. Okay, so here if I am talking, like assume that for example, okay, you have some requirements. Okay, for example, you have some requirements. So based on that requirements, so you want to develop one software. So for that, so as organization members, so first they are going to plan about the requirements. So then they are going to start the designing. Okay, then they have to go for like coding. So once the designing is completed, then they are going for coding. Okay, once the coding is completed, then it is going for testing. Okay, once the testing is completed, then they are going for handing to the client. Okay, like this is one I'm talking about some of the process. Okay, if you see this, so if I'm describing software testing as a process point of view, the software testing comes into the middle, right? So if so and so project is approved, so and so project is started by so and so company. Okay, so in that, software is one of the process I'm talking. Software is one of the general process. Okay, so first, like I'm talking like generally, we require to start one project or product. First, we require some requirements. Okay, based on that requirements, so then we require some designings. Okay, the designings like how the software will be, how the software looks like. So that is, okay, the designings will do. So after designing, so then like coding. The coding, like developers will create the output file. So that is in the form of software, application software or system software. Okay, the coding. Then I am talking like testing. Okay, once the coding is completed, then it is going to sending to the testing team. Now the testing team will do is to finding the defects on the softwares. So to finding the defects on the software based on the output file of the development side, as well as based on the requirements, now testing team is going to finding the defects. Okay, once the testing is completed, so that is okay given to the client finally. Okay, at the time of given to the client, if it is working fine, if there is a no problem, so now client will happy. If something is happy, okay, something is not, okay, not like the customer's way, so then he will feel critical, right? So in that way, so for that, so the main I'm talking like, if you see from starting end to end process, so if I'm talking this is one process, if you see from end to end process, okay, here the testing comes in middle or testing comes in last. Okay, after completion of designing, after completion of coding, then testing starts. Okay, so if you see from end to end, so the testing comes in middle and testing comes in last. Okay, so based on the like following some different models, right? So if I am defining in this way, this is a definition. The testing is a process, is a part of software development. Okay, of course the coding is also part of software development, designing is also part of software development, but the testing is, okay, the testing is not a technology. So just one more thing I am saying, that the testing is not a technology. Okay, testing is not a technology. Okay, testing is not a technology, it's a purely organization process. Okay, now if I am talking the development, if I am talking for coding, so it's not a organization process. Of course it's an organization process only, but in development side they are going to use some of the technologies like Java technologies, okay, .NET, okay, C# and etc. They are using some technologies. So in that way, so I am not defining like the development is not a technology. Okay, development is a technology, but testing is not a technology. Okay, testing is one of the purely entire software process. Okay, so other name of this for software testing is, so at the time of development team plus testing team is participating in one area, so that name is called research and development. Okay, research and development. Okay, if the development team and testing team is working for one project, okay, one product, or okay, so then the name I am calling as officially, that is R&D, research and development team. Okay, so again the testing team also be changed, like development team and testing team. So both are I am calling as a R&D. If I am talking in software develop, like if software IT side, so development environment is different and testing environment is different, like designing environment different. If I am talking like core sides, like electronics side and electrical side, so the term is calling like R&D. In of course some companies are in IT side is also calling as R&D. Okay, so this is about some of the definition for process point of view for software testing. Okay, let's see some other definitions for software testing. Okay, now the functionality point of view. So far just we discussed about process point of view. Now I am talking like functional point of view, the definition. Okay, functional point of view, the definition or technical definition for the software testing. Okay, testing is an activity. Okay, testing is an activity to detect and to find the defects, to detect and to identify the defects, for software. For the software means in that software applications, system software, so everything comes under in this. This is like technical definition. So this is we want actually. So both are required. So but if in any of the interviews is asking anyone, so please define this definition. To testing is an activity to detect and identify the defects for the software application. Or if I am talking the customer's way, to identify the defects for software application which is given the customer. Okay, like we can define the different way. So the software testing definition. Okay, the testing definition, the main intention is to identify the defects. Okay, right? The identify the defects. Okay, now if I am talking, so why software testing is important? Why software testing is important? Okay, so far we are discussing, so everything is okay, to finding the defects and everything is okay. Okay, now I am talking like why software testing is required. Why software testing? Okay, why software testing required? Okay, why software testing is required? Okay, so why is, okay, the purpose of software testing is, okay, once you are identify the defects, once you are finding the defects for the software application or softwares, okay, the main intention of the software testing is to providing the quality. The main intention of the software is providing the quality. Okay, why I am going for software testing is to provide the quality. Okay, if the customer related application, I am providing quality to the customer. Okay, if it is like product related software, so I am giving the company to the quality, I am giving the product as a quality. Okay, the main purpose of software testing is providing the quality. Okay, so let's understand what quality. Okay, let's take one general example. Okay, let's take one general example. So you want to purchase, so in your mind you have thought that I want to purchase one laptop. So for that, so in your mind you have some requirement. So with that requirements only, so you are planning to purchase your laptop. Suppose my product is Dell. So that product having, okay, like in your mind you have some specification like 2 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk and also some video graphics, like some of the configuration in your mind. So I want lightweight product like that. Okay, so with this requirements we are going for one shop, okay, to purchase this laptop. So after going for that shop, okay, you are saying that I want this configuration. Okay, immediately the person, the shop person is going to show some of the requirements, like some of the configurations of the laptops. Okay, in market there are so many companies. Okay, Lenovo, Dell, okay, HP, okay, and also like some other laptops with the different names. Okay, having the same configuration. Okay, but okay, you are going for one of the quality product. Okay, because okay, if I am purchasing the so and so quality product, okay, then it will works for lifelong, or then it will work some of the time. Like suddenly your friends or your relatives, they purchase one Dell laptop, assume that, okay, at the time of purchasing time, you are only going for Dell app, you are asking some of the configurations for Dell, okay, you are going first Dell, because already someone is like, they purchased this laptop, so their mind, it is quality product, but in your mind, so you are feeling that whether it is like quality product for me or not, okay, whether if I purchase, whether it is working fine or not, in your mind lot of confusion, okay, with this confusion only you purchase the Dell laptop with 25,000, okay, with this confusion you purchase the Dell laptop 25,000. After purchasing this 25,000 laptop, okay, after using this laptop 5 days, okay, after using this laptop 5 days, okay, suddenly you are finding the problems on the Dell laptop, like not charging, okay, not charging and not installing softwares, okay, not installing softwares like operating system, okay, you have faced some of the issues after using so and so days, you face some of the issues on the laptop, okay, suddenly, so mind will like you people, okay, you think like, so why it is working, so in my relatives laptop, in my friend's laptop it is working, but suddenly this is new laptop, so after using so and so days, I am facing some issues, so you will be frustrated. First of all, as a normal man, you will be frustrated. After frustrating, so immediately you are going for, okay, immediately you are doing your activity, like you are calling the call center, or else if the nearby store, you are visiting to the near store, okay, so, hey man, I purchased this laptop 5 days ago, so now it is not working, so I want to replace this laptop, I want new laptop, you are asking to that shop person, okay, the shop person is saying that, okay, fine, we will replace, okay, no worries, so we will replace because you have the warranty and you have the guarantee, so he is saying, okay, that is okay, that part is okay, but you want that, okay, thing immediately, but he is saying that I will replace, but the replacement happened after so and so days, but I want current, I want present, okay, so in that time, as a normal person, okay, you will feel that, so you will lose, first of all, you will lose your confidence on this laptop, or you will lose on confidence on your product, okay, because, okay, all are using this product, but suddenly due to my bad luck, my laptop is not working, so that is obviously, this is negative things will be comes in your mind first, okay, negative things will come some like brand, okay, why I purchase this configuration, why I not go for some other brand, so like this you will get some negative thoughts in your mind, okay, finally you will not satisfied with this service of this laptop, okay, then at that time what is the problem, okay, then at the time what is the problem exactly, the problem is, okay, the quality is missing, the problem exactly here it is, the quality is missing by the Dell product, means quality is missing means, so and so person in the organization at the time of research and development time, so and so person is not tested well, of course 100% testing is not possible in real world, okay, 95% is testing is possible, but in that 95% only, so one of the point is not tested well, so that not tested well effect is affecting on the real time customers, okay, that will affecting on the real time customers, okay, as a real time customers what they feel is, okay, they will lose the confidence about the product, once they are losing the confidence about the product, okay, next time no one can not going for this product, okay, no one cannot show interest on this product, means if it is having some problem, so no one having trust on that software product, okay, no one have not linking the quality, okay, the first here in my case I am losing the money, I am losing the money, I am losing the confidence, okay, I am losing the quality here. For the next time also, if someone is next time they are plan to purchase the Dell laptop, I am saying that hey, no, don't purchase this laptop, I have so many problem at the time of new laptop purchase, so you are saying the negative feedback about the product, so the negative feedback is nothing but it's a not quality product. Okay, our target is we need to avoid this kind of problems. Okay, this is general example I am talking. This example, so this kind of things we need to avoid in the software application. Okay, once avoiding the faults in the software, so then okay, immediately automatically we are providing the quality. Okay, the main intention of the software testing is to providing the quality for the software application. This is the main target. Okay, so this is the main target about the software testing. Okay, so let's go for some different terms about software testing. Okay. Okay, so in software development time, okay, some of the terms used in the software companies frequently, okay, for the development time to deliver so and so things to the so and so persons. So the terms are used in the software companies are, so for software application point of view, the software application are divided into two types. So the divided is the applications are, okay, and also these terms are very frequently using in the software companies are, the terms are, one is project, another one is product. Okay, one is project and one is product. So these terms are very frequently using in the software companies for software application. Okay, let's see what is project. Let's understand what is project. Let's understand after what is the difference between project and product. Okay, let's start with project. Okay, the project. Okay, the project. Okay, like I think you have some idea about the project. Okay, project is nothing but, so the project. So in before, at the time of software definition time, I said like software is an application which is developed based on the customer requirements, is nothing but software application. Okay, the software application other name is project, or other name is web application. Okay, here the project I am talking. The project, okay, the project which is developed based on the customer requirements, or which is developed based on the specific customer requirements, is nothing but project. Okay, like simply project is developed for customer requirements. Okay, the so and so things is developed based on the customer requirements. Customer requirements is nothing but, so and so person, so and so clients is giving some requirements to, okay, so company. Okay, directly is not giving to the anyone. So first the customer is giving with his requirements, he is going for one software company. Okay, once going to that software company, the software peoples, the software company members are understanding the requirements about what the customer, what the client is saying about, okay, their requirements. Once understanding the requirements, okay, once everything is okay, like financial side and technical side, everything is okay, then okay, the software company is going to start the project, like requirement analysis, and well as going for designings, going for application development, like development coding, and also then after going for testing, then after they are going for, and finally they are sending to the again the client. Okay, means the project which is developed based on the customer requirements. Okay, so just little bit just understand for this example for project. Suppose, okay, assume that I am one of the client. Okay, my client name is, okay, I am the insurance client. Okay, I am the one of the insurance client. So with this, so I am the one client. So I want actually, and before that I said that software, why software is required is to make the things automatic. Okay, whatever the manual process is going on so far, so that things I want perform in automatically. Once I am performing the automatic things, so I will reduce the time and I will do my task like repeatedly, and I am also decreasing my time, and also I am decreasing my manual power. So for that I am going for automation process. Automation process is nothing but it is one of the software. Okay, like that. So same problem, whatever the problems having this customer through the manual process, that process need to be eliminated by automation. Like he need one software exactly. Suppose his need is he required one software. That application softwares are like people's insurance. Like his planning is people's insurance. His planning is he want to deliver all the persons in the world. He need to deliver some insurance like home insurance, health insurance, like also death insurance, claim insurance, like that. He having like he want to deliver this insurance to the different members in the world. Like that. This process is happening before that manually. Like he have one office, and like that in that office he have some less manufacturing, like he have like less premises and everything. Like that is having something. So that things, so he want to increase his business expansion. He want like so far he is using his business only within the area. Now he don't want in within area. He want to expand this insurance company throughout the world. Suppose assume that. So for that is one people insurance, like one of the name I am saying this. So for this he wants some requirement, like for his business point of view he wants some requirement. So for that he have some requirement. Assume that requirements are like assume some requirements are home insurance. These are all some of the requirements. Health insurance, death claims, vehicle insurance, property loss, etc. So assume that these are all some few like requirements. Actually he required one insurance software. So in that software, so these are all some of the few requirements. These are all some important requirements he is given. With these requirements, he is going for one software company. He is going for one software company. Assume that the software company is HCL company. With these requirements, the client is going for that HCL company. Now the HCL persons, like HCL members, the HCL company members they need to understand this requirement. What exactly the customer want, what exactly the client want. He is saying I want the people insurance, free service, and he is giving these requirements. These requirements are need to be understand everyone. So in that organization, so and so responsible persons are coming in middle, like BA, and also business team, and also project manager. So everything, some of the technical people comes in this company side. So that we will discuss later. So let's understand first of all, with this requirement they are going for some HCL company. With that requirement, HCL understanding each and every requirement about the client. Once understanding these requirements, then the company is offering, or this client is showing some interest to give this requirement to this company. So finally, so and so, like once they completed some meeting, so in that meeting they are dealing about, they are talking about financial side and technical side, everything is okay. Now once the confirming of the requirements, once the sign off the requirements, or once the sign off these requirements between client and company, so then after actual software development will be starts. Then the software development will be starts. The actual software development will be like like designing. Just before I said the designing will starts, and coding will starts. Testing will starts. After completion of testing, so I have some one more environment. If I am talking like software company's production, once completed this production, then it is going to deliver to the client. Here in my case, like insurance client I am giving, suppose. So once after completion of this, once the requirements are signed off, in between client and company, so then in the company itself they are going to start designing, coding, testing, production. Then it is delivered to the client. At the time of delivery time, so if it is everything is fine, so the client will happy. The client will be like happy, like client will be satisfied. Okay, if the client is not satisfied, so again we need to start our work from starting, like designing to the ending of this entire the process. Okay, so this process I am calling as, so if the customer is giving some requirements to that company, okay, based on that requirement, if the company is developing one software, so that is comes under project. That is project. Okay, if the company is developing, so that is one of the project. Okay, project is nothing but now the based on the company, based on the customer requirements. Okay, if the company is developing one software, it is nothing but project. Okay, the project, that is the project. Okay, in market, like in outside of the world, so okay, some of the companies are working purely for projects. Like I am talking like project based companies. Okay, okay, those who are handling the projects. Okay, that company is called as a project based companies. Okay, project based company or service based companies. Okay, product based companies or service based companies, because they are purely handling on projects. So if you are handling the one company, so that I am calling as a project based companies or service based companies. Okay, in the market, the project and service based companies are examples like HCL, okay, IBM, okay, and also HCL, okay, sorry, HCL is already completed, TCS, okay, Tech Mahindra, okay, so on, because all the companies from, okay, from small like startup company to like big companies, they are handling the projects. Okay, they are handling the projects. Okay, so this is about the project. Okay, let's move on to next other side, like product. Okay, the product. Okay, in just before we discussed about project. Project is nothing but which is developed based on the customer requirements or customer specification is nothing but project or web application or software application. Okay, now here the other term is like frequently used in the organization, like products. Okay, the products. Okay, the products. Product is nothing but so something which is developed based on the market requirement. Okay, if the so and so thing is developed based on the market purpose, so that is called as a product. Okay, in before case I said that it's a customer requirement. Now I am talking about market requirement. Okay, what the exactly market required. Okay, so in that way, so if so and so companies, software companies developing so and so market requirements, so based on that market requirement,